People are naturally worried. I'm getting a lot of emails, which I understand, and people are quite concerned. And people are concerned about the actions of others. And we've seen on the news over the weekend, I mean, it's been a lovely weekend, and people have wanted to get out and take some exercise, but the social distancing is so important. This virus can spread quite easily, and what we've got to do is to protect our NHS and protect ourselves going forward in order to get that curve down, to make sure that the Royal Devon and Exeter Hospital is ready to help us all as and when we need it. There's a number of meetings going on. I've been involved in some already today, and I've got further meetings. We've got our executive committee. The business of the council in the city needs to carry on, because we need to keep the city in a position whereby we can sort of start again, for want of a better expression. I'm having to deal with those papers with officers all over Skype. We're having a lot of representations about business. We want to keep business strong in a position whereby we can lift off again quite easily after all of this. It's very hard for businesses at this moment. I mean, we've heard about the workers having 80% of their wages paid for by government. I think that's very important. We've got to discuss about business rates and supports, how we can help companies in this way. There's also support to our tenants as a council who may find themselves in difficulty. We're also getting quite a number of inquiries about the homelessness, where we are obviously working with government. Some additional funding is being given to us by government. We will be bringing forward plans to help people who are on the streets, homeless, street attached. We've got to understand that. But of course, people need to be careful about social distancing, but we are making provisions for the homeless people in Exeter. There's still quite an awful lot of work going on in the council because we have to prepare. We've still got to carry on the amenities that we supply people with in relation to the collection of our waste. That needs to be done, because that could be a health hazard if not. Also, the Civic Centre will be shut for members of the public to come along, but as we all know, we can contact by email or by telephone, and there will be crisis lines and all methods for people to contact us. We really don't want people to be sat at home alone and worrying about these things. We are there, and we're putting teams in place to support people.